Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Search Console for SEO improvements, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Search Console website. If you are not already signed in, click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner. Select Google Search Console from the available options. Once signed in, click on the Start Now button. You will be prompted to add a property. Enter the URL of your website in the designated field. Choose between the domain or URL prefix options based on your preference. If you choose the domain option, enter your entire domain name without the HTTP or www prefix. If you select the URL prefix option, enter the complete URL including the HTTP or HTTPS. After entering your URL, click Continue to proceed. Next, you will need to verify that you own the website. Select a verification method from the available options. Common methods include uploading an HTML file, adding a meta tag to your site, or using Google Analytics. Follow the instructions for your chosen verification method carefully. If you opt for the HTML file upload, download the file and upload it to the root directory of your website. If you choose the meta tag option, copy the provided code and paste it into the head section of your website. Once you have implemented your chosen verification method, return to the Google Search Console and click Verify. If the verification is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Now that your website is verified, you can start using Google Search Console. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools. Check your website's performance data, including clicks, impressions, and average position. Use the coverage report to identify any indexing issues affecting your site. Examine the enhancements section for suggestions on improving mobile usability and other features. Utilize the URL inspection tool to analyze specific pages and address potential problems. Regularly monitor your Search Console account for updates and insights into your website's SEO performance. Implement the recommended changes to enhance your site's visibility on search engines. Remember to return frequently to check on your site's progress and updates from Google. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.